Hey guys, so yeah, I've got this. I don't know why I need this, but like yeah. So today I'll be doing my daily routine on Bloxburg. So yeah, sorry, but my house is not finished. I'll just this is the living room. It's not like I have to put the IDs in and everything. So yeah, I'll just watch some TV first. I have to put the IDs in and then I have to also finish the rooms. Like yeah, so yeah, I just need to go to work to get some more cash because I've only got like 11,000. So yeah, I need to get some more cash before I finish. Oh yeah, I don't need this right now, do I? Yeah, I just got my phone up, so not that. Okay, so I always take a shower in the morning. So, oh no, you're gonna go to my garden. I have to go quickly. So I just if someone's trying to come to my house, I always just exactly what does she want? Yeah, she's gone. I can also get my hygiene up in the jacuzzi. Yeah. Okay. So I would like some canned beans, please. There we go. I'm just gonna get some coffee to take. What does she want? I don't know. I'm just gonna get some coffee for now. I've still got to paint now. Okay then. I'll take some coffee with me. Yeah, I'm just gonna drink that now. Okay, so then I usually go to work, which I work as a delivery pizza because I'm already on promotion 29, so yeah. And I do earn quite a lot of money, so that's why I left this job. So yeah, I'll be back when I finished working. Okay guys, I'm back now and I finished working. I'm just gonna end my shift here and yeah, head home. So yeah. I'm just gonna it's like my house is quite close to work, so I don't really mind. I could just walk or teleport, but it's better to just go in my vehicle. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on build mode and start to kind of finish my house, but not really. So I've finished this room. I finished two rooms. I finished this one. This is gonna be my bedroom. Yeah, I still have to do the IDs. That's not good. And then I've got the closets with my trophies and things. And then this is just like it's a spare room, so I'll just put the floor there. But I won't really use it. It's just spare. So yeah, I'll just make that bit black or something. And yeah, so I won't be really using that. And then I've got the balcony that I'm gonna do later. And then so this is that, and then I've got the pink room. And I've got the bathroom. Yeah, and then I don't know. I think I want the lights to be black. That's why I just chose that. Then here will be the blue room. So yeah, I'm just gonna start on that. So first, I'll do loads of parts of these, building my house and things. So I'm gonna do it like that, and then a bit of that room color. I have no idea what style to use, so yeah, I'll just use that. This can be good for boys and girls, but so it depends. It really does. So I have my bed. Which bed should I get for this room? I want to get myself this bed. Let's just switch that up. Yeah. There. Gonna get myself this bed, yeah. It looks cool. Cause I like this because like I can actually I already have like the bedding things, like I already have bedside tables and things, so I like that. I'm gonna paint that black and this bit white. And then I'll do this quick because I need to actually hurry up, but whatever. So I don't know, I can come back to this room. Okay, for this room now I'm just gonna have a bed because like you need a bed. Right. And if I want to make it look like a double bed, it's not really. Like I love doing that because it just looks so nice. So I love it. A little white here. So it's just showing back. Okay. And then tables. Yeah, if I'm making you guys bored, then I'm so sorry, but like I need to build my house. So yeah, if you want a part 2 of me building a house, then there should be a part 2. But like I'm not sure about that because some people hate watching how people build. Like I don't know why. Like my brother, he likes Bloxburg, and the Roblox, but he prefers Fortnite. So he just plays Fortnite, but I found. And yeah, so sometimes it's like harder, you know. I can always, you know, how people just like watch. Some people watch speed builds, but like I'm just saying like too much. But speed builds, I don't wanna do speed builds because I haven't got a speed camera or whatever. I don't know how to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be stuck with this. So I'll be making tutorials of like houses like this. So yeah. Then I'm gonna get some lights on lighting. I love using these. Like I like using these lights because wait, I need to show this because they look quite fancy. So okay, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird. It's just because I'm a bit sick. It's like snowy weather. You know how it's like when it's just like snowing in London because I live in London, so it's snowing a lot. It's like the second time this year, and it's only March. That once it snowed for like the whole week. Yeah, so it snowed for 7 days, and then I had to miss 2 days of school, and then 2 days weekend. And I went to school for 3 days, but yeah, and now it started to snow on Saturday, and it's Sunday, so it didn't snow on Friday, so that's good. But it did snow like in the afternoon, like you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna move this. I will actually paint him. Like, I'll actually paint this. But yeah, because like I would just leave it like this. All the other furniture is that colour, so I don't mind. There, I'll do it like that. So that's that, and then I'll get like small TV. This one. Yeah, so and I'm gonna put like a table here. And I don't know if you like when you know how people just talk throughout them like when they build, so I'll just like I'll talk but not too much so that you can like concentrate on what I'm building. Yeah, this is how long it takes me to build like one room. It takes me longer sometimes, it depends. But yeah, it is quite long, so I'm not kidding. It takes forever because like I'm just concentrated on how I build it. Like I need to know what I'm building, so to concentrate and like yeah. So this is that. What else do I need to? Yeah, and I put my settings like when I'm on board mode, it's always like midday, so that I don't. Yeah, so it's just nice because I'll try. I need to put a roof down soon. Might just do that now, actually. I want to have this one. This is a gable roof, right? I like to do. I use this one because it looks nice. There. So now I have to paint it, which is the only thing I hate. Oh, this is a brown, completely different. Okay. I need to paint underneath as well, so yeah, I'll just paint this and then I'll get my object things off. So I can't really like when it's like when the roof is on and then I'm building, I hate it. Like I absolutely hate it. So yeah. And to check how it looks, can you like see the lines? It looks nice.